Look at the elk. Would you believe it? That's an elk. You feeling strong, huh, you elk? You feeling strong, huh? Nice and friendly? You want to have a word? You want to have a word? Grandma got run over by a reindeer coming home from our house Christmas Eve. Arctic wolves.
Just hanging out, bro.
Just hanging out.
That is a big dog.
That is, dude.
That's not a dog. That's it.
Oh,
He's
it's
marking
pushing.
his territory.
Pushing.
Got it on film. Got it on film. Buddy, just get it. So
That dog
Arctic.
could kill you, huh?
Oh, easy. Imagine, right?
Wolf.
His face looks like a Disney wolf.
Yeah.
He looks like a very nice dog.
You know,
Except he's a vicious
You
one.
gotta keep that one.
Look at this guy. He's got an itch on his ace. And he's got no hands. So he's got to itch his ace on the wall. He's got a big old ball sack on him. Look at all the little sheep getting all fired up. I'd rather spend one day as a lion than 100 as a sheep.
Hissing the sheep.
Here comes Yogi. Here comes Yogi.
Look.
Get it, buddy. Scratch that back. Oh,
Look at that.
Mowgli over here. Getting his back scratching on. Well, what do we got over here? A cup of coffee. Ah, the pure joy.